Welcome. The Ranchero Murphy cabinet kit will show you a demo. So these are the plates, and there are long screws and there are short screws. You'll need a screw gun, you'll need a marker and a tape measure. Now measure from between the hinges like that and mark at 11.5 inches. Center the plate at the mark and between the panel and frame, just like that. Now take a long screw, the 20 mm screw. This screw goes into the frame, not the panel. Screw in one, screw in the other one. And for the panel, we use the short screw, the 12 mm screw. And again, you screw in the first one, you screw in the second one, and that's the first plate. Second plate, measure from the end, mark at 10.5 inches. Center the plate, take the long screw for the frame, screw in one, screw in two, now the short screws on the panel. This side's done. Repeat on the second panel and the whole thing is done. Thank you from all of us at Night and Day Furniture.